Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. You know my name. If you just joined me, I am Elizabeth. My surname is Motsipe, and welcome to my channel. Welcome guys. Last week I showed you my birthday gift and I told you that the other one was left behind because I think they didn't have it in stock at the time of shipping, so it was just left behind and it came. And am I not happy? I am. So I got this, guys, this bamboo cutting board, and it's big. It has a handle. It's a very big one. I compared the size with a pep one. It's bigger than the pep one. There's a new one in pep, yeah, bamboo with marble on the side, in nearly two colors. And this one, the size of this one is, let me check properly. It's 40 by 24.5 by 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter is the thickness, I think, and the 24 it's this side, and 40 centimeters is this side. I think it's from this corner up to the handle, because from corner to corner it doesn't make 40. It doesn't look like 40, it looks like 30. Yeah, I work with measurements every day, guys. So this is the thing that I have. This is the thing that goes with those dinner set that I received as a birthday gift, and I always wanted this. I was finding others go China Mall, but they were too small, and the ones at Pep, they're too small for me. But I think I'm going to get a round one, the circular one, just to compensate this one. The ones that are having in the house, I use them regularly. I cut my vegetables on top of them. So yeah, it's going to serve as a platter board, a fruit platter board for me. Yeah, so I'm so happy when I say my friends comes in handy. My gifts are always on point for the birthday. I don't lie. This is the thing that I wanted, but I didn't find exactly what I wanted, because what I saw wherever I was going, they were too small. Hi guys, again, welcome to the segment of unboxing. I bought a very beautiful item for myself, and I told myself that, okay, let me just brief you. If you just new to my channel and you don't know what is going on, my name is Elizabeth. I live in the village. I don't have electricity. This land was cut in 2017, and then I started staying here in 2021 January, and then even now in 2024 we don't have anything of services, be it water, be it electricity. So I bought some solar things, some solar system, the inverter, the solar panel, and the battery, and I am so glad that I did that. So I bought a mini washing machine. I told myself that I'm not going to limit myself to have things that I want to have, some comfort, to have the best life, the soft one. I just told myself I'm going to create a mini soft life for myself, because guys, I'm doing laundry at my mother's place, and I wake up very early in the morning so that I catch up with time, so that I can create a little extra few hours for me to rest and be with my kids. So I decided I'm going to buy a mini washing machine that will be compatible for the solar system, and I did just that. I am just going to unbox with you. I'm so happy, guys. It's not a big one, it's a 5 kg machine. I'm getting tired. Do not mind whatever is on top of my my head, it stays there. Giddy properties of the house. So I am going to unbox a 5 kg machine. Okay, a little story about the machine also. I made an order on Takealot. It was 1,788, and firstly this machine I saw it on Belu's channel, and hers was a gift from the US. So at the time when I was checking, I couldn't find it anywhere. I was just getting some buckets, small buckets. Then I checked again this year. I got it. I made an order. They delivered a bucket instead of the machine. So I returned it, and they said they don't have it. And that bucket is ranging from 500 to 600, from 450 to 600, depending on who is selling the machine. So I couldn't be ripped off my 1,788, and I wanted a refund. There was no hassle. They did refunded me very quick. And when I'm checking online, I got the machine on, I saw the machine on Outdoor Warehouse. Checked, I couldn't believe they said check your nearest store, and I saw Polokwane, and I jumped. I called to check if the machine is available, and they said it is available. It is 1.9. I just said no. The online is saying 1.7, and I cannot. I was just going to argue, guys, but they checked and it was 1,700, and I rushed to go. And what I was happy is that I could see the product before purchasing. So what I was happy is that it was exact item that I wanted. So subscribe to this channel. Let's create a soft life in the village together. For the situation I am in right now, guys, one would say, why would you go for a smaller machine? Yes, I did went for this one, the smaller machine, because it goes with my inverter. I regret I should have done a little bit of a research before I buy that inverter, but the reason I bought it is that it was gonna run a TV. So I also want to buy a TV for the boy. The boy wants the Popeye. So yeah, I want to buy a TV for the boy also. Mara, this one also, it is compatible for the inverter that I have. Mainly here, this machine is going to help me a lot, guys. I am no longer gonna wake up very early to go to my mother's place, even though it's a 7 minutes drive. But waking up, go out of your house, when you come back, you don't want to do anything, you are just tired. And with this one, even when I'm not around, my daughter will also do the laundry herself, maybe her uniform, if she is not willing to do the whole laundry. And when I compare it with the one that I'm using at my mother's place, it's a 15 kg, and mostly I do 2 loads. So a 15 kg with this one, it goes in that 3 times. So I might have 4 to 5 loads here. I don't even mind if I have a lot of loads, because I will be at home and I will be doing other things while the machine is doing laundry also. So basically I will be having a bed, 2 beds. I'll be hitting 2 beds with 1 stone. Guys, I am so happy. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And this pipe, I think it's for pouring the water in the machine, which I'm not gonna use. It comes with a bucket. This is a drying bucket where you're gonna dry the clothes. which I'm not gonna use. And this is the manual that I will read later. It comes with a cord, at least it's a South African cord. I thought it will come with the American plug, you know, because this thing, it was, I think it's not an old thing. I think it's a new thing in our country. So it has got two knobs where you wash. It shows you wash. This is a washing instructions. This is the timer, which is 15 minutes. When you want to wash your things, the timer is 15 minutes. And here you put this thing here for washing, and when you spin, I think you will put the knob this side and you off the machine here. Yeah, this is the water inlet that I was talking about. And also it has got the draining pipe out. This is a 5 kg washing machine. This video is this is a 5 kg washing machine, which I am so grateful to have, guys. I will test it with you. And what I like is that it's a 240 watts. My inverter is 550 watts. I'm so glad that it will be used. But I am going to try it now, not on the video. And yeah, guys, I will use it with you over the weekend. So yeah, this is the things that I got. I hope it will last me for at least a year, or maybe until when the electricity has been installed. So guys, do not limit yourself. It's a small thing, but it's the happiness that comes with it. Hope you're subscribing while you are going to buy this thing. I'm saying this is 1,700, but they were adjusting the price when I leave. It was 1.9. You're not gonna get it 1.7 at Outdoor Warehouse. I hope you are inspired. I hope you are finding this video helpful and the machine helpful. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I always wanted this because I'm still saving for bigger solar system. So until then, I'll be using this one. I love you so much, and I hope you stay blessed. Please subscribe to my channel. I thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.